I think probably when we look at the breadth indicator and we see that, it's swimming around here up above 80, that's got to be a warning sign for us anyway. Very dangerous. Probably also, too, if we look at the broader market, the Dow is actually flashing a sell signal there on the breadth with the teal actually pointing down. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. Here, though, this is a really good example of algo traders. And if you are an algo trader, you have to take all of these signals. So that means you sold here, you had to buy here, and now you're getting told to sell here. 3 trades, and this might have been like a big hurry up and just spinning your wheels sideways, nothing really happening. So just understand that if you are going to trade algo, and that sort of speaks to Josh's infographic, this is a really good testament. And, if you do want to go down the algo trading route, you have to understand this, is that you have to take every damn signal. You don't have any choice. If you invest in stocks, you can at any given point in time pull up almost any sector of the entire universe. I mean, even the Dow Industrials. And you can sit here and trade the industrials like a boss, just from everything that we teach on the course, and you just have this handed to you on a silver platter. And you can see the W's down in here. We were even talking about the crude oil market putting in a floor like that. I mean, look at what the market did. And you can just sit here. Look at this beautiful little W. In fact, Julian was talking to you about Boeing recently. So no, this is a premium product now. And ironically enough, Black Friday deal, something like $33 a month to be able to access this and surf through and just look for your W's. Look, there's another one, McDonald's Corp. You can just pick this stuff off as it's coming along here. If you did buy the dashboard package, then you should get all of these tabs that come with your package. So there's the overview page. This is sort of the default that everybody would see anyway. But the breadth page, this comes with the package. So this is sort of your overview of the market breadth. And then, some people specifically, and then I have like a weekly commodity. You can see I have these are my pre-formatted signals, the key reversals. I think Josh illustrated how powerful those signals are. I mean, hell, just even the key reversal signals, I think you could easily make the cost of the subscription just coming back and looking at that. Interesting, here's Molson Coors has popped up on a key reversal. And it's interesting because it turns out, I mean, could you have bought a call option right there and made like $400 or $500 on a call option just in the past week on that one signal? I think so. And I mean, look at the beautiful indicator. So you want to see an image that looks like this beautiful bottom in the DI, and then you get key reversal signals that are just telling you, okay, got to pull the trigger now, go. I think you can make money off of that. And this just happens to be another part of the package. I mean, and so the point here is that these are my pre-formatted signals. We should get to the point where you guys can actually build your own screeners. That's this. And this should come with this package. We still have to build out the tutorial on how to build these screeners out, but it's coming down the road. So just for the time being, to get you guys going, I actually built a whole bunch of sort of formatted pages. And one of them, my key reversals. I love key reversals, and I love engulfing bars as signaling systems, so that's in there. As well, too, we put together a couple pages that I just like to have because I don't like to have to go out and surf a whole bunch of different sources for news. So this is just a handy little news tab that's in there. But also notice, too, a weekly commodity trend survey. And so this is basically that whole universe all broken down into one page. And this makes investing really, really easy. Is just don't overthink this. The more you overthink this, the more trouble you get into. Where what we really want to see is we want to see buy signals. That's the sixes. And you want to focus in on markets that are spitting out a whole bunch of hunting buys. Those are the fives. And here's the whole damn market. So here are all the currencies, the major currencies, and everybody's in meh territory. There's our cryptocurrencies. Look at them all, just insanely uber awesome. Then we go to the rest of the market, the commodities market. Hell, look at that. Soybeans is actually telling you to start hunting short setups there. So that's a bit ironic, right? But you look at that chart, that makes sense. That's everything that we teach in the education program. You can see it tops coming in here. If this thing starts rolling over 50% levels, probably down in this area. So that makes sense. And what's interesting is if we had come to this a year or so ago, we would have seen ones and twos right across the crypto market when these things were stupidly overbought. So this is doing its job.